Hey students, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2011, question number 46. Database table by name loan record is given below. This is the database. What is the output of following SQL query, and one SQL query is given with 4 options. Let's run this SQL query. Select count star. It will count the output from select borrower bank manager from loan record as S. So borrower and bank manager, that will be in one new table S. Natural join, select bank manager and loan amount from loan record as T. So these two will be S and these two will be T. This is our S and this is our T. Now we'll do natural join of both table S and T. We do natural join with some common attribute in both S and T. Common attribute is bank manager. So we'll do natural join on bank manager. So Ramesh Sundarjan 10,000. That will be output. There is another Sundarjan. Hence Ramesh Sundarjan 7,000. So Ramesh Sundarjan 10,000. Ramesh Sundarjan 7,000. 2 row. Then Suresh Ram Gopal 5,000. Mahesh Sundarjan 10,000. Mahesh Sundarjan 7,000. So how many tuples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tuples. As Sundarjan is 2 times, hence Ramesh will do natural join with both Sundarjan and Mahesh will do natural join with both Sundarjan. Hence Ramesh 2 times, Mahesh 2 times, Suresh is only 1 time. Total 5 rows. Answer will be 5. I already discussed natural join. Natural join we do with some common attribute. In both the table, common attribute is bank manager. So here we did natural join on bank manager. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.